If you're trying to choose between Microsoft Loop, Notion, and OneNote, you're really choosing between three very different ways to organize your work. And in this video, I'm going to break down what makes each one special, who it's best for, and which productivity tool is actually the best fit, depending on how you work. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and let's jump right in. First up is OneNote. OneNote treats its page canvas like a giant blank sheet of paper, which makes it incredibly flexible if you like freeform organization. You can drop a text block on the left, place an Excel sheet in the middle, and even sketch arrows or annotations over everything using a stylus pen. That makes OneNote a fantastic tool for handwritten notes, messy brainstorming, lecture notes, meeting ideas, and visual thinking. One of OneNote's biggest strengths is that it feels like a digital vault. It can handle massive volumes of data, long pages of text, and even PDF attachments without making the whole system feel complicated. If you're someone who likes collecting information over time, OneNote is especially powerful for frameworks like the PARA method because you can store projects, areas, resources, and archives in a very natural way. Another huge advantage is structure without rigidity. You are not locked into strict folder systems or heavy database rules. Instead, you can nest pages inside pages indefinitely, which means you can build your own internal personal wiki. That makes OneNote a strong choice for people who want a flexible knowledge base, a long-term notebook, or a place to store everything in one organized vault. Now let's talk about Notion. Notion is different because its true power lies in turning information into databases. Instead of just writing notes, you can structure your content so the exact same set of project notes can be viewed as a calendar, a Kanban board, or a spreadsheet-style list. That flexibility is one of the main reasons people love Notion for project management, content planning, task tracking, and team workflows. If you like systems, Notion is probably the most powerful of the three. You can create pages, databases, templates, linked views, and custom workflows that adapt to the way you work. It's especially useful if you want your notes and your tasks to live in the same connected system. So if your goal is to manage projects visually and build a workspace that can grow with you, Notion is a very strong choice. But Notion does come with a trade-off. Because it can do so much, it can also take a little more time to set up and learn. For some users, that's worth it. For others, it can feel like too much flexibility. So if you want an all-in-one workspace and you don't mind spending time building your system, Notion may be the best fit. Now let's move to Microsoft Loop. Loop is the lightweight Notion alternative, built for speed and real-time collaboration. This is where Loop stands out. It is designed to work fast, stay simple, and fit naturally into Microsoft 365 workflows. If your team already uses Microsoft tools, Loop can be a very convenient way to share live components and work together in real time. One of the best features of Loop is how its active project grids can feed tasks directly into Microsoft Planner, To-Do, and Teams meeting notes. That means it's not just a note-taking app. It's also a collaboration layer that connects your tasks and meetings inside the Microsoft ecosystem. For teams that live in Outlook, Teams, Planner, and To-Do, that integration can be a huge productivity boost. So which one is best? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Choose OneNote if you want a flexible digital notebook, a personal knowledge vault, or a place to store huge amounts of information, PDFs, and handwritten notes. Choose Notion if you want a powerful all-in-one productivity system with databases, custom views, and strong project organization. Choose Loop if you want fast, lightweight collaboration inside Microsoft 365. And you want your notes and tasks to connect smoothly with Teams, Planner, and To-Do. If I had to summarize it in one sentence, OneNote is best for freeform note capture, Notion is best for structured systems, and Loop is best for streamlined team collaboration. So the real answer is not which one is universally best, but which one matches your workflow best. If you need a personal vault, go with OneNote. If you want a customizable productivity database, go with Notion. If you want speed and collaboration inside Microsoft, go with Loop. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one do you use most? Microsoft Loop, Notion, or OneNote? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this video helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more software tutorials, productivity comparisons, and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.